So behind me we've got a hedge, very typical in suburbia, often put in for privacy reasons. But actually we're here today to test whether this hedge gives other benefits, improving air quality for the people who live here.
Well, what we're doing here is we're measuring the air quality on the road side of the hedge, and we're going to make comparisons between that and another air monitor on the house side of the hedge to see what the difference is. What we're doing here is measuring the PM 2.5 on the house side of the hedge to see the difference between that and the road side of the hedge. This is our third air monitor near the house, and what we're looking to see is how far the particles in the air are being carried and what effect it has being nearer the house than the road. Three.
Yeah.
Number 1.
Yeah.
Number 11.
Whee.
No, not that exciting. It's not bingo calling. Number 7. Number 5.
So the monitor on the road side of the hedge registered 4.2 PM 2.5, whereas on the other side of the hedge, facing the house, it was much lower at 2.3 PM 2.5.
I'm impressed by that. There's a very marked difference there, I've got to say.
Well, that's 45% lower on the house side.
I'd never expected to see anything like that. I was expecting maybe 15 or 20%. I was not expecting 45%, I can tell you that now.
But don't forget, it's a 2 metre thick hedge,
Yes.
almost 3 metres high. That's the best sort of hedge you're going to have.
And it's forming a very effective barrier.
Yeah. Be interesting to see if the next hedge performs as well.
Yes, it depends on, I suppose, it depends on the height of the hedge and how thick the hedge is and how effective a barrier it makes.
No, that's good. What's also really interesting is the monitor we had actually by the house was showing the lowest readings overall at 1.53 average PM 2.5. So the hedge was stopping the particulate matter not only coming to the other side of the hedge, but actually reaching the house as well.
Yes, I suppose that is, I would say, to be expected in some respects, because we're dealing with very small particles indeed, and when they are in the air, they tend to say suspended in the air, and it takes a while before they can drop down or come down to ground level. And I would imagine what's happening is they're actually going over the hedge, but not dropping down the other side. And I would say that's probably due to the movement of the air, which is keeping them suspended for longer than people anticipate.